Okay, let's talk about customizing the menu bar a bit more. So in the top right of the menu bar, Big Sur has this new feature, which is the notification center, which can have your control over Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth, display, and other features. And I think that's great. It's nice to see it all in one place. However, I like to have a few things out on the menu bar, and I like to remove a few things from the menu bar. So for one, I don't use the Safari search from the menu bar because you can just access it by holding down Command and then clicking the space bar and searching for an app like Safari, and it will show right up. So we can actually remove the spotlight icon, and all we have to do is hold down Command and then drag it out of the menu bar until the X shows up, and then it will disappear. Likewise, I actually like adding things to the menu bar. For example, I like having the sound icon in the menu bar because at a glance, I can see what the volume level roughly is. So I can know whether it's going to be really loud just by looking at it instead of having to click on the sound level. So you can see if I adjust the sound here, it's going to change in the menu bar as well. If you would like to show the volume in the menu bar, all you have to do is go into the control center and then you would just drag it out here like that. So that's really great. The only downside of Big Sur is now they introduced this new headphone icon whenever you have something plugged into it, so you don't have this visual indication anymore. Kind of annoying, but hey, it's a small price to pay for an overall great experience. Back in System Preferences in Dock and Menu Bar, I like to make one more change if you're using a Mac laptop, which is to show the battery percentage, so you know exactly how much it's discharged. So you'll scroll down here on the left to Battery, and then you're going to click Show Percentage, and now it will show the percentage of the battery remaining next to the battery indicator. As you can see, there are some other menu bar items that are here, and these are from third-party apps, and unfortunately, I don't want to show all of them, but sometimes the third-party apps do not give you control over this. I wish Apple would give us more control of this in the future. Hey, that was a short clip from a larger YouTube video I published about maximizing productivity on your Mac computer. If you're interested in that, definitely click through to my main YouTube channel. Thanks so much.